Ka National Child Development Council ka badi ka way na kikinhon ay jingirap na kabenta ka puli ku puthi bat ka baha kamyat jong kikinna menda gasngi ka atrek ujeliw ka lapan mana ma bakan ay ka free training na kabenta kibakwa ban Pnah ha ka rukam Kren bat Pnah kam ya ka tin English ha ba Kren ba klap thai khubor ka admission coordinator ka Yaumin Chan Ragun ka laong babunsin kikinna puli ki jukham thlun ban Kren ya ka tin English bat ka yaki la tapoi cha ki jaka thep kam tang namar bombet ka rukam Kren lemba kan ka program kikinna kinyo Jinghikai mana gasni lemba WhatsApp number not nyo lai san riu lai sao sao bat kan don ka live classes man ka singu blay na do ka por architeng no phai sngi hadu san baje jan mit bat man yo ru ya ka Jinghikai ki bomnya lemba ki activities paper so ka Ncdc ka wer pai ba ru ya ki khna puli ki bla pendap ya ka class 10 hadu degree ban pendung keteng banyo jing tibet ya ladi ha ka kam hikai lemba ka free online training bat kan aji mento ya ki baduna ka yo ka kot bat kum juru banyo kam shipor bat ka Ncdc bat ya ki jing tip ba khamnya la ban net sha ka website ka bolong ncdconline.org.
I want to introduce two programs from our end. That is, the first one is the paperless English training program. It's called the PET. So this is specially designed for the students, and the reason behind this program is that we have so many students, in spite of having educated from schools and colleges, when they go out of state, when they look for a job opportunity or any kind of entrance exam, they find so much of difficulties expressing their thoughts, and they have less confidence because in their mind they have the consciousness of these grammars and all. They think, if I speak, whatever I'm talking, is it correct or not? That kind of consciousness make them like it's kind of a barrier for a good communication. So we designed this module of this pad so that they will easily boost their confidence in English. So the main thing about this pad is that it's completely free. There's no fee for this. It's free and it's online. So we give one number here. If you contact that number, you will get the lessons in WhatsApp every day, and on every Sunday we have live from 2:30 to 5:30, which will be led by our master trainer. And we have experienced that so many students who don't know English at all, now they are on the average level through this program. And the second program is the teacher training. We know that child care education is very important. The brain of the child is the most rapid. The development is the most rapid when they are very young. So at that time, we are responsible. Parents or the teachers are responsible to make their learning fun one. Also, we have to understand their needs and we have to unlock their potentials. So we are providing this kind of trainings for ladies. This is only for ladies. And for those who want support in their fees and all, we also provide a program called Earn and Learn for the Deserving. For this program, those who are interested will be given training from our various HODs, and they have to work part-time online in our organization, and they will get some amount to support their fees.